Using a lemon to lighten the skin. Fresh lemon juice is a very common folk combine for lightening skin rapidly and cheaply. Many people, however, possess a severe chemical reaction when their skin is uncovered to fresh lemon juice and sunlight. This painful condition is known as phytophotodermatitis, and care should automatically get to avoid prolonged contact with sunlight and / or ultraviolet sun rays when using fresh lemon juice like a lightening agent. If you are careful about how exactly lengthy you depart the fresh lemon juice on the skin, as well as in what conditions you put it on, you need to find fresh lemon juice a fairly effective skin lightener. Using lemon to lighten skin. Spray it on. Rub it on. Make use of a lemon wash, exfoliant, or mask for the face. Cut lemon slices, run them under water for a couple of seconds, and squeeze their juice into a cotton pad. Lemon lotion. General tips and medical health tips for skin lightening. Lightening the skin with lemons works, and can take some time. Avoid contact with sunlight. Use lemon or fresh lemon juice only every second day. Fresh lemon juice might help with acne, but speak to your physician about its usefulness. Be familiar with what products you put onto the skin.